Hi, it's my everyday routine. I usually wake up at 7:20 in the morning. I scroll through my Instagram and other social media and get up. I make my bed and go to the bathroom. Here I wash my face and get myself ready for the day. Then I go to the kitchen. I make a cup of coffee and I prepare breakfast. Today I'm having eggs. After I have breakfast, I brush my teeth. I work at home, so I don't drive or I don't take a bus in the morning. I'm an English teacher and I work online. Today I'm shooting new videos for YouTube and Instagram, so I'm applying some makeup. I don't wear makeup every day, but I often do it because I like it. I usually start my work at 9 o'clock in the morning, and I have around 3 lessons every morning.
But it's in general not okay. I love this lady. I like her and pay.
I have a lunch break around 12:30. I usually have lunch at home. Next, I change because I need to shoot some videos.
А ви знали, що насправді для того, щоб розмовляти англійською, вам не потрібно знати всі 12 часів.
After that, I clean my table and clean my apartment a little. Sometimes I go to the gym in the afternoon, but today I just go to the supermarket and I buy some groceries that I need. I come back home and continue working. I check my chats, check my students' homework, plan my next lessons, post something on the Instagram. By the way, here's my Instagram. In the evening, I sometimes have more lessons, or sometimes I go to the kindergarten to pick up my son. This day, my mom picks up my son, so I have some free time and I read a book, I go for a walk, and I stop by at a coffee shop to have a dessert. I cook dinner, I make a salad, and prepare everything for dinner. I take a shower in the evening. I watch series. Now I'm watching Sex Education. And I usually go to bed at 11 p.m. or midnight. Night night.